Shoppers could see lighter turkeys on their Christmas tables this year after the first case of avian flu was confirmed on Tuesday in a Carlow turkey flock. However, it's still unclear what impact the outbreak may have on turkey prices, but further cases could lead to a reduction in the supply of turkeys ahead of the festive season. Industry sources say it's too early to predict price increases or shortages, though farmers are closely monitoring the situation. The next week or two will be critical. Depending on how the disease is managed, some birds may be slaughtered earlier than usual, which could result in smaller turkeys in stores. The busiest period for turkey farmers is the last week of November and the first week of December, when the majority of birds for Christmas are typically processed. However, when there is a positive case on a poultry farm, all infected poultry and captive birds are slaughtered under the instruction of the Department of Agriculture. The carcasses of slaughtered birds and eggs are destroyed, and when an investigation is carried out to identify the possible source of infection. Further control measures include eggs and meat that have originated from the flock during the risk period being traced and destroyed. There is then a time lapse of 21 days before the premises can be restocked after cleaning and disinfection has been completed. Avian flu, or H5N1, has already recently been confirmed in a number of wild birds across the country, with over 40 cases this year to date. Outbreaks of highly pathogenic avian flu have also been identified in poultry flocks in several European countries and the UK this year. The HSE has said that the risk to public health from this strain of avian flu currently circulating is considered low for the general public and low to medium for occupationally exposed people.